So you know what got me now? You go around she and say fuck you, I gonna reach you again. Why stick around somebody as you slip so them block you? For what? For what reason? See, if you tell me say you and her go dress up now and go up on a date and her head chip, she just take up her phone and her key and just say she got the bathroom and just cut left you at the restaurant. And by the time you ring her phone and realize that she block you. And then she gonna turn on her live with her 20,000 people that watch her. And then I say, boy, Fabbi, why go and feed it? And she gonna tell the words, she just blocked Jayden and left him at the restaurant. Bro, you need the people there, bro. You need the people there. Sometimes when you left an ex, you leave an ex. You can't, your friend them can't, your ex them can be friends. But don't go back in a relationship. Them an ex for a reason. I care how you think you love them. When you take up back an ex, you're not moving forward with them, you know. You're moving backward. Because when you don't go through some part in your life where certain things can't change. When you don't go through certain disrespect, it will just never happen again, brother. And sometimes I'm loneliness cause you know, when you're lonely and you miss each other company, so you feel like it gonna work. It now work, you just miss being around each other. Cause you used to for always they around each other and you fuck with each other. And when feelings, emotions you not go off, you not go off on the headspace, you not go off our mindset. Like I really this more, you not go off feelings, how me feel lonely and you memorize about the old times and the things them. I want to go back around, it gone, brother. It gone. Nothing did for save. It gone. That's why I want to do. That's why a lot of people when they talk back to their ex, they left again. As you go back, you gone. You see? As they go back now, watch them. It done again. Blackings go on again. It's all easy. It easy for you black them. Kind of love none of them, bro. And I mean, I want nobody feel like a true Fabbi black me. Make me a cuss. But when I just say, you just see mission where a person depend and you can't just sit through a person and you just know say this is not for you, brother. You have to just be careful in my mouth. I'm sorry. I not for you. I not for you at all. Right now the most genuine girlfriend me see have Ashley. And the genuine friendship when me see have a Jabas and share, regardless of where you share of. Until you look fall out, whatever. When me did I see with my eyes. I'm not playing now, I soon come back here.
Man, you see me, I get you.
Alright.
Me go and get it.
I'm gonna step on that topic then, because I don't want to look at my car, so maybe just I'm not left share, you know. Maybe just left it, I'm gonna stay upon it. Share enough and I couldn't start up by that traffic there, you know. Boy, Fabbi, I'm a girl that me like Fabbi. But Fabbi, you use mind game, brother. You use mind game, brother. You can't block, you cannot disrespect your youth, so. Me a drunk or two, you know. I'll tell you something. A lot of my man, they become disappointed. But me don't use them. It's a difference. Me don't play with people's feelings. It's a difference when you're class, your man, because of something where him do you, and you have to come bring him down for something where him do you, rather than I fuck with somebody's feelings. So a lot of them go up on screen record and say, but Vanya go like she better than Fabbi. Look how much of fear man them she bring down. Yeah, but bring them down on the internet, you know, because them do me something. Call out any one of my man them, I can't tell you what them do me. Me and them have to throw it down. It's a difference. She just come for take and go. Take and go. She no shadow. Me don't know for she know. Me just black back Fabbi because me not going to eat with her, you know. Go over there and she better on TikTok and class the bitch today. See you wait. Da, where wheelchair girl there?
Yara. Oh.
Just keep on and run. And she become, but where she there?
She not there on TikTok for what it. No, me tell her say no go say
Lie,
no.
she there on her fake page and watch. Tell her
No.
this.
Me
Them
see
are
woman
some
that walk. Me see woman that walk in New York fast. Alright, you see wheelchair? You see one with the wheelchair?
You stick that liar and you can walk? So
You
why
see
you want
what?
to take her picture?
Wait now, you see one with the something there, a chair? A 2 night
Yeah.
or 9 night. A 2 night or 9 night. A mix.
Oh, she dead. TikTok liar. She in the wheelchair.
No, I mix them in and mix it up. The one with it in the
No,
wheelchair.
you can't make we switch like on a she in a picture. She.
No. That I did just cuss.
Alright, show a TikTok liar then.
But the video out there, video out there when him, I remember who for PM.
And listen, you see if Vice, it match the exact big forehead face with the woman where she show we.
No, me not see her face, but when she da walk, she da video when she da walk, her work.
So you know what she did if you ever see her face?
Cause as she a walk and have a phone and a walk and a talk with the phone, see when I walk and a talk with the phone.
So why you see make you know a she? Her Vice here?
Yeah.
And you know say TikTok liar and it was her friend?
No, at the video.
Then you alright. Oh, you don't see video on TikTok?
Yeah, she post the video cause people are say she can't walk and she show them say, see me guys, me I gotta work, whatever. She talk with the people, them and I gotta work, and then she say, me I go up on the train and she go up on the train and whatever. Me I tell her say,
yeah, me have to make sure see a smarty video she take and put a screen and then record it. Guys, a smarty video girl thief or tell her one of her friends to walk and do that and then she vice it over upon the video. Me have to see the video for myself. She vice it over. And that she do.
Vice over she when she walk with the phone.
Yes, let me tell you something. She have the video, she have the phone and she walk and she make some I want her friend them a video themselves, you know. Notice how you said the face not in her video, you know, her face not in it.
No,
so
I think she under umbrella.
Yes, we still can't see face, so we can't see the real motor move. And then she put her voice over and talk have the phone so and I talk while her friend a walk. We have to see a motor move, you know, see a really your man. You can't treat nobody woman, go.
No. She alive, she did it on, you know. She did it on live and then she ready for go and just start walk.
Like a show, she like me say the girl be like very people, you can't trust them. But this girl come tell us about that foot now. Oh man, baby, be careful. She lie, me just I don't believe that
part
one
no
word out of she.
The dark part I know she. The dark part I know she.
Yes, spread to she, Sky Diamond and Mountain. And them, me see it for myself.
But listen now, that's why me I say, sometime, you know, I know everything me see still, you know, because some of my things, they miss me. But you see, Ivany, you see the girl who send me that video there, and one of the girl who don't like you, and when she send me, she said, it's not her.
But Dan, your TikTok liar friend, tell her if a video call you, your screen record, you capture it and go show it. Or why, you're not a friend, why shouldn't you don't know who your friend is? You can't be friend, you don't know how smarty look.
So I
not even you share make see your face, that for sure, yes, not even you can see your face.
Wait, Ivany, listen, let me tell you how me stay. You see, if me and your friend, and me say certain things, you know what, me see her know, me not push it.
Dad, come on, man. We understand that. But cannot see your face? No. Anything else, say you don't want to see me picnic, me have one baby, you don't want to see baby fine, you don't want to see how you know me also fine. But
so you think you don't want to see it, me don't want to see it, you know. But she don't want to show it, so me can't
She's not afraid, she's a hider. So she know what she do, but them don't figure out already. So you know what she do now, two people them don't know her family, her husband, and how she look, she try to use reverse psychology, you know, for kind of change your mindset, for say, oh, I know she that, because we already know say she, so she want to change your mind for think, say, I know she as smart as, are you as such a look?
Well, me can't say she and me can't say I know she, car.
Right now, she probably an immigrant, because she love talk about border patrol and we never see she a travel. Show your blue book with your picture and your name. I don't feel show your name in it.
But she say she alone can't travel out I whole away. She say TikTok liar alone can't travel. Say all the way in her box and go TikTok liar alone have papers.
She joke. Don't listen to that what she say. She never see she have travel yet. She drink and joke. She a bad as she come through like myself and can't ever travel. And you don't see her rather than she. Now tell me Dan, you don't like me, you know. You don't eat me like a poison. The girl every day she come up, she show a blue book. I would never see this bitch a travel. All the days she live her life. I may have to cuss her and say, then leave the country then. Fine. She clearly said she leave, right? Me I scroll through TikTok and book up on one video. The girl in the airport attack. And the girl have to call my name say, and Dirty Vanny can't do this. Tell me that you go on a vacation and
You
I
know,
am on
something
your
that is the ride
mind.
or die like troll you. Me think I troll
Well,
she
I
troll
know
you.
she can't show me because I not look on she. You there at the airport and my name and everything in your mouth. Now she fly out and gone. The girl print one picture. You go as far as to print a picture. First you have to save an image of me. You have to go to the library or any printed something where you have in your yard and you have to put that by your iPad, your computer, your laptop, and you have to print it out and then you cut it out and put it in your passport and travel with that. You never afraid the plane crash. I remember me across, you know. Yeah, afraid. I ain't never afraid. So when you go to the airport and them seat them hold you, Sevan, you're criminal.
So
And you
she
have
do
to take
that?
all of the charges. Them. She obsessed. She passed. I saw Destiny, they take my picture, print it, put it on him in a one frame and put it in their room. I saw me what be walk and behavior them then. We could
And
never go for
they say
vacation.
so. I like they like you and they don't know how to tell us they like. I like they
I
like
don't
you.
want them to like the dance. For print off my picture. I am been an artist. Been a Jada Kingdom Shensia and the top people there and Cartel and Nicki Minaj. I put one girl where you're in a real beef pan TikTok in your passport book. She
I like
sick.
people I like you,
And then
man.
she act like she a clock thief make it look like she a cabin with she. That real people look on that you're sick. You're not clock no tea, you pop. Then the people they know that you don't even cuss with them. You see that? No, you just make
No,
shit more.
I content. I just content. Cause you know, I just
That is
content.
no content. That is no content for print off somebody picture and
You
put it in
never
your
know. I
passport.
must be hear that.
That is no content. That's sick. That's so sick behavior that day.
Oh God.
Behavior. And she go up on a vacation and we can't see where she a vacate. For the whole time of vacation, she up on live on the phone in her face. So where she go? Where she go?
Me hear Jayden need to tell her say, make we see you sit down there and she say, go here see you want to see my body or something like that. But she
What
didn't
kind of
like I want
vacation she
pool
go
time.
on? I was talking about the vacation. They go on vacation and you're in a bed every minute past 4. You're supposed to be in the pool. I lie down. She there them say supposed to be in the pool. He's supposed alright now in the night, maybe I want club or maybe I want dinner. Everybody she don't live the life.
So when she gonna do her body or her vacation she gonna for?
She gonna fix the shit them out her mouth. She a pear and teeth in her mouth. She can't say, come you know when them girls suck with them, when them girls suck with you know, she have to suck with so. She have to hold dogs and suck you so. So she have, man have to lay down and she have to suck cock. So she can't suck cock and lift up because when she open up her pear and teeth in her mouth. The man don't want to see the other side then. Pay shit water. And she not brush teeth. She make it settle. Like when you gargle your throat with salt water and her mouth dirty, but I can't tell you about her fillers. I said, when you put this in your teeth. Don't care how the black one strong and work good, but I tell them if you kill me with the white one. So then drop out so me go fill them in back. And then the fillers. Young girl, rotten teeth. Oh, then as soon as rotten teeth in a fair amount make she need how much fillers. But up your
You see your friend with 2 rotten teeth and a cuss Annie.
Who that?
She have
She
one
have
on the
no
right
rotten
and one
teeth.
on the left.
Show me.
Where phone there? She have one on the right and one on the left on the 2 side them.
Show me rotten teeth there. Let me see.
Wait, let me see if
Here
you
rotten
can.
teeth in her right there. And if she have 2 rotten teeth, she have more than
Yeah,
she have 4.
it on the 2 side them. It 2, she have 2 in her mouth. While when
Let
she
me
cuss
see.
Annie, when she cuss Annie, she have 2. God kill me and don't lie me I tell.
If she have 2 right there, they have 6 and you have in a whole of fear about them. And if not one on the teeth they steal.
Weird.
Not one on the teeth they steal. And you have pure and teeth in a fear mouth.
No,
and
fear one them first and fear one. But
and you have pure and teeth in a fear mouth.
fear one them worse, but she have 2. And I tell people about rotten teeth. She have 2 for chew, cause me there see the picture. 2 she have 2.
Mary, me never see she with a rotten teeth yet.
2 she have, me I tell you.
So since me go look in her shame mouth. Since she
a 2 she have.
what her name? When Ryder she talk, she start talking and close fear mouth, you know. I'm typing
A 2 she have, me I tell
start
you.
walk and close fear mouth. Last she go classy look up.
No, a 2 she have, a 2, a fox.
She go come classy that it blood.
No man, wait,
Let me see when she a cuss with.
A 2 she have for 2.
Well, let me get one when she then on the phone and cuss.
I no joke me I make. So ideal post all over TikTok. Two share for
No
true.
man down, you're too like girl and a rotten teeth in her mouth. Let me see if we can zoom in this.
Me say a two
Bad
share.
too
I
bad, she
said,
not a
alright.
rotten teeth in there.
Tell somebody if you
Alright,
send you
fine.
it. Tell somebody if you send your Ivany. Tell somebody if you send you it.
Bad too bad. Look carefully in the mouth. Call her mouth open.
No man, that I filter. Me I tell you two she have.
No, so right there, that filter. I when the filter on, you see right there, that rotten teeth there. You
Gosh.
can't see no rotten teeth. Your filter can't hide rotten teeth down. Filter cannot hide rotten teeth black. I remember, you know, if a filter she have on all use the rotten teeth, they can remember say she ever live in a filter, then you know.
No, you remember one time she and somebody that cuss and somebody said take off the filter and she got take off the filter.
So
and she walk up and when she has to say
she
said,
have
say,
no
ah.
rotten teeth.
This are no cuss, you know. This a tell me a blood clot tell you, you know. This are no cuss, you know. I tell, see there, me all post it on my page, see there?
Where me can't see the send the picture to me, see. Me share it to me. Me not see the rotten teeth there, so. Share it to me, see. Me not see the rotten teeth there, so. Share it to me page, me see.
See, they see big black, how much rotten teeth there in that woman mouth and you say, you know, see, a two she have.
Where?
Two. On the two side.
A rotten teeth that are missing the teeth, missing.
No. Two rotten teeth when she say ah. And then scream shotty and pussy. And that's how me get to when people scream shotty and pussy. And live she did up and I say tell somebody to say ah.
It's a space. My friend have no rotten teeth. I rather they have a rotten teeth them.
See it there. And a space, see it there. Two she have, see it there. Two.
You have rotten teeth in a fear more. Everybody have rotten. Me not have rotten teeth in a.
Vani, listen up.
It must have cut me suck. But I'm never got dentist go clean my teeth. Rather than you invent rotten teeth.
Listen what me I tell you. Not even change me not change teeth. Not even change me not change teeth. I just lately, Oxtail broke out my teeth, you know, lately. My teeth broke out, you know, lately. One night me I eat some popcorn. And one night popcorn look like, you know, when I eat popcorn and one no pop. And it just broke out my teeth, like say my teeth now get weak then. Alright, all them that cuss me and say, you're sensible girl. All them that cuss me and say me having false teeth. All false teeth figure up on veneer. Think about that.
False teeth up on veneers.
Oh, veneer figure up on false teeth.
No, you have to take off your false teeth.
But it can't go, veneer can't go up on false teeth. It's better you just go put on white false teeth then. Instead of go put in veneer.
How much me can appear rotten teeth in a TikTok live mouth?
When
right
we
now,
can't tell about, remember said no, we don't know TikTok
live.
liar.
Show with fear mouth. We
know
know her
we
with fear.
TikTok
She have
liar,
a
so we
picture
can't
them.
talk.
She have a picture of them with she, you know.
Eh?
She have a picture with her, with CR.
Look on this black rotten teeth and Ivany say, I feeling. I sitting there.
Dry thought. We can't see where you're showing.